You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope that you are having an amazing day. In this video, I am announcing the Little Red Dress Project 2022. So if you aren't familiar with this holiday sewing challenge, I'm going to share everything that you need to know through this video. Please meet me in the next section where I introduce you to this year's co-host of the challenge, plus our ambassadors. Okay friends, so for 2022, the lovely Talisha of Creativity by T is my co-host. I'm so excited to have her on board this year. She has an amazing YouTube channel as well as Instagram feed. I will leave a link to all the information you need to know down in the description box, so have no fear, everything you need will be down there. Talisha is so fun to work with. I have done multiple collaborations with her during the course of the last 2 years, and if you tuned in to Sunday's video, you would have noticed that we did a fall collaboration. We spoke about the lovely new simplicity pattern S9644. It has a peekaboo feature as well as a very form-fitting kind of body skimming but not too tight design. So here are those videos that we collaborated on, and I'm just so glad to have her as my co-host this year. Also, this year we have some returning ambassadors from last year, and I have some new faces for you guys. So our ambassadors for this year is Andra, Helen is a repeat, Crystal is a repeat, Rochelle is new for 2022, Sharon is also new for this year, and we have Becky, Karen, they're both new. We have Luxie and T. So guys, my co-host is here to help you when I'm not available. If you have any questions regarding the challenge, how to participate, or if you're not sure about your fabric, that kind of stuff, you can reach out to Talisha as well as myself. Feel free to DM me with your questions. The ambassadors are here to support my challenge. They will also be promoting you guys's posts, so sometimes you might see them share one of your videos or one of your posts via their reel. It's just our way of supporting the community. It's just our way of supporting the community and coming full circle around sharing what you've posted and just promoting and motivating you as you take part in the challenge. So let's talk about what exactly is the Little Red Project. I'm going to give you a little background. The Little Red Dress Project was started back in 2016. I was really serious into my YouTube channel. I had the channel for about 1.5 to 2 years, and I just wanted to do something with the sewing community. At that time, my friend Holly, she started the seamstress tag as a way to get to know all these new sewers that are really hitting the scene on YouTube. And she reached out to me, and we were just talking about how successful it was for her, and then we kind of talked about doing something for the end of year, and I was like, hey, why don't we just do this, the Little Red Dress Project? And that's pretty much how it came into existence. So Holly was there during the birthing process for me of the Little Red Dress Project. So guys, this challenge is your challenge. It's one that you take for yourself and you enjoy the holiday season. Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year. I love all the holiday parties, I love the holiday food, and I just really love how amazing I feel during this period, and that is why I wanted to do this challenge and keep it coming back every year. Now the color is red, and that in itself is a big challenge for a lot of people because not a lot of people think that the color red works for them, but there are so many different shades of red that could work for you. And I feel like challenging yourself is a good way to find hidden gems and things that you may not typically go for, like the color red, and it may look amazing on you depending on the shade or the fabric that you found. So that's pretty much all behind the challenge. So let's talk about participation. I by now by now I should have posted on Instagram the announcement post, and if you are interested and you want to join in, just comment on that post and say I'm in. So that really is the first stage of joining the challenge. The next stage is really what is the challenge. So I'm challenging you guys to make a red dress for the holiday season. It should be at least 90%. The color red should at least be 90% of your fabric. New this year, I decided that as much as I love dresses, I feel kind of handcuffed for the challenge that I'm not making anything else red, like a red blouse or a red jacket. And I just thought that I would extend the challenge out to other garments. So when you head over to Instagram, you're going to notice on that a challenge post is going to say make a red dress or red garment holiday look. That little statement is a bit ambiguous, red garment holiday look, but to dissect it and break it down, basically you can make a red blouse, you can make a red tank. I did say tank top, but your fabric could be an amazing crush of velvet that you're wearing with a suede pants and you've got blazers on, and that is an amazing holiday look that will be acceptable for the challenge. So don't feel locked into the dress for this year, guys. You can make jumpsuits. My frenemy. I love how jumpsuits look, but I never sew them because I have a fear of the bathroom situation with them, but they look beautiful, and a red jumpsuit or a sort of deep burgundy sequin jumpsuit would be amazing and acceptable for the challenge. So hopefully that kind of clarifies that portion of the challenge, and we will be using the hashtag thelittlereddressproject 2022. So that is the official hashtag for the challenge. Now I'm sure you guys are wondering, are there going to be prizes? Yes, there are going to be prizes. This challenge is fun, it's exciting, and I love having sponsors to provide awesome prizes for our participant. Now remember, this is not a contest or a competition, it is a challenge, so the winners are chosen randomly, and to be eligible for winning a prize, you should DM the Twilight Stitcher your final photo of your completed dress or garment for the challenge. The challenge begins November 24th and it runs through to December 24th. So that's the time period that you can cut your fabric and start sewing your fabric. You can even cut your dress on December 23rd, sew it up, and then post it by midnight on December 24th, and you're in. So that's the the challenge time period. Now, the reveal of your completed project, if you're like me, sometimes I sew my project up really quick and I want to be right there December 19th posting my project to Instagram. You can do that. Otherwise, you have the ability to reveal your project midnight December 24th. So those are the important dates to remember regarding the challenge. And again, I'm going to plug this in. If you want to be eligible for the prize, please DM me your final photo at the Twilight Stitcher on Instagram. That makes the process so much easier for me than sifting through the hashtag Christmas evening or the day after Christmas. It's just so much easier and it makes my life really smooth and I don't have to worry that I'm missing someone. So, like I said, we are having prizes and these are our sponsors. Love Notions is providing a $50 store credit. Minerva is providing a £50 voucher for their Minerva exclusive fabrics. LA Finch Fabric is providing a $50 store credit. So Essential UK is providing a $25 a 25 pound voucher for UK residents only. Bella Love Patterns, they're providing a 1 pattern download. Itch to Stitch is providing a PDF pattern of your choice download. Sinclair Pattern, they're providing a $20 store credit. Made for Mermaids is providing a $20 store credit for their patterns. And guys, those are our 8 sponsors for 2022. So another note to remember, all our sponsors, with the exception of So Essential UK, are providing prizes worldwide. So it's open no matter your location. And I'm excited to see what you guys share for your project, the fabrics that you choose. I'm looking forward to that. And as I say fabric, I really want to share a few color options for fabric so you have a better idea of what's acceptable for the prize. So anything that's red, anything that is burgundy, anything that is sort of a blush pink but a deeper tone, so maybe a rose pink that's more towards the direction of burgundy, that is acceptable. Pattern print, pattern red prints, geometric prints, floral prints, dark floral prints will work. Guys, I think dark red florals are amazing, especially if they're like what do I want to say, crushed velvet. Those just look so beautiful, as well as brocade. Those are really pretty fabrics to use for the challenge. So now I want to move into the inspiration. Just because we've expanded the challenge, I wanted to show you guys some of the things that would work for this challenge regarding the garment red look for the year. So first up is this sort of velvet dress. I like that it's more in the burgundy, so if you're not 100% into red, this color will work and is acceptable for the challenge. Next up is this beautiful tank top. As you can see, it is a tank top, but it gives off that feel of luxury. It also gives off a holiday vibe, and it just looks like an evening look, so that is something that would be acceptable for the challenge. Next, we have this beautiful tiered dress that has a Grecian style to it, and if you guys are noticing, I'm really picking that color theme of burgundy red, so you guys know that 100% blaring red is definitely on the list. Tomato red, lipstick red, but this burgundy color is also a winner. The next fabric is this beautiful burnt out wrap dress. I love this. I think this is a magnificent fabric choice for this dress, and this look is amazing. It is a killer look and it is a winner in my book. Next up is this beautiful sort of burgundy red tulle dress with a high neckline. Fabulous for the holiday season. I think it's a knockout look, and the accessories on this one works well. I love the heels and the details of the bow front and back. Interesting, but I love it, and I think it has a lot to do with when you walk, you don't want all those bows getting tangled up in each other, but it looks beautiful. And finally, there is this beautiful blazer look for the evening, and it's amazing. It's just this crushed velvet red blazer and trouser, and this too is a winner and acceptable for the challenge. So I'm hoping that this video clarifies and introduce you to the challenge, and hopefully you join us over on Instagram. So all you have to do is head over to Instagram, follow the Twilight Stitcher to be eligible to win your prize, as well as DM me your final photo during the reveal week. And if you have not heard or seen any of the ambassadors and or my co-hosts, please head over to their Instagram feed, check them out. I know you will love them. Follow them, as well as their YouTube channels. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it was informative. I hope that you joined the challenge, and I look forward sharing my plans for this challenge and the fabrics that I'm interested in. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding